Kusenjalo uRamaphosa uphawulile ngemibiko ethi Owayengumengameli weqembu uMnu Jacob Zuma uzokwenza isimemezelo ngekusasa lakhe lezombusazwe kusasa. Kunemibiko nokuqagula ukuthi umsholozi kungenzeka aziqhelelanise nokhongolose.
We've got former President Jacob Zuma who's going to make an announcement. And he has over time been making a number of announcements. So tomorrow he'll make another announcement. We will note that. We note that. And what else can I do? There's nothing else I can do but to note. Similarly, the former president, who you say says is not going to see himself campaigning, I think in the end we're making a big issue out of this, much larger than what it should be. In the end, you know, as members of the ANC, we would like everyone to be in the field to campaign, but if you are not able to campaign, you know, that's it. The work goes on, and we will continue doing the work.